Hi, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Hannah here, and I'm ready for our writing lesson today. Okay, so you have been working on my Wonderful World pre-writing page. You have some wonderful things about what you think makes our world wonderful and beautiful. You've been brainstorming and coming up with ideas. I have 3 ideas so far. How many do you have? You might have 4 already. I've just been thinking a little bit more. What I want to tell you is that we're going to be using your ideas for what makes your world wonderful, and we're going to publish a book. Have you ever published a book? Do you know what it means to publish a book? Well, do you remember the book that we read the other day called Bacon Saturday Mornings? This author published the book so that you could read it. They shared their ideas and they put it into words and pictures. They took it to a company and the company said, "This is a great book. Kids need to read this book." And so when they did that, then they sent it off to another place to make it, to put all the pictures together, to put all the words together and put the front cover and back cover on and make a spine. They made that book. We're not going to go all the way there with publishing our book, but we're going to publish a book with your ideas. So we're going to start out with kind of the drafting, which is our that first part of writing. So we have our, not the first part. The first part would be our pre-writing, which is our brainstorming. So we've brainstormed. We have these wonderful ideas about what makes our world wonderful. And now we're going to go into that pre-writing, that drafting, writing for the first time with sentences. Okay, so I'm going to have this piece of paper on canvas for you if you want to copy it. If you don't, just use a plain piece of paper. You can draw your picture, and then your sentence will go under your picture. You have to make sure that you have a sentence to go with it. This isn't just a picture book. This is a book with words as well. So I want to show you an example of what the authors in my book that I'm teaching you from did. Okay, so here it is. So one of their ideas on their Wonderful World page was about riding their bike. So they took that just a little further and they added some sentences to that idea. So their sentences say, "I ride my bicycle in the park. I smell the fresh air." What a great 2 sentences there are. There's a picture of this little girl on her bike. The park is in the back with the trees and the grass. I love it. There's a lot of detail. I see some birds and some clouds. So a lot of great things. I see she's wearing a helmet. Great details. You're going to do the same thing today, but you're only going to take one idea. We're not going to make a whole book in one day. It's a little step by step, one thing at a time. So I'm going to put it under here to show you. I have my ideas on my brainstorm page on my pre-writing, and I have what makes my world wonderful. When I think of my wonderful world, I think about the green grass. I think of beautiful flowers. I added this one, cool lake water on my toes. My toes are in the water. My smile went a little crazy up there. So these were some of my ideas. I still have one more idea that I need to add, so I'm going to keep thinking. But you might have 4 ideas. We want you to have 4 ideas today, okay? Or at least 3, okay? Because we're going to take these ideas, and these are going to be our pages in our book that we're going to publish. Okay, so I'm going to take my first idea, which is green grass, and I'm going to make that into a sentence. So thinking about what the writers in my book said, like they have 2 sentences. I ride my bicycle in the park. I smell the fresh air. So taking that concept, I'm going to do my writing over here on my wonderful world. My marker. You're going to use a pencil. Use a pencil first. I'm going to use a marker so that you can see it. Okay, so you're going to take some time and you can draw a picture first. Or you might like to write sentences first. You already have a little bit of a picture started. over here, but you're going to have to put it over here. So take some time to draw a picture or write a sentence first. It's your choice. Sometimes making a picture gets your brain thinking and you think of more ideas, but I'm thinking of the green grass. Okay, I'm going to start with my sentence today. I'm going to say, I love walking in the green. Ooh, how about in my? Because I like walking in my grass because it's really nice. Like it's just one of those soft grasses, you know? I love walking in my grass. Oh, I forgot my word. My descriptive word. What's my descriptive word? Green. I love walking in my, good thing I can squeeze it here, green grass at home. I'm going to say at home. And then I'm going to add this sentence. I love the way it feels between my toes. I'm going to add that to mine. I love the way, let me pull it down a little bit, the way it feels between my toes. Then I would take some time to add a lot of detail to my picture. I'm not going to make you watch my whole picture. I'm going to have it next time. So what's your first page going to say? What was one of your ideas for what makes your world wonderful? You're going to be writing today your first page for your book. So make sure that you add lots of details to your picture. Make sure that you are having your sentences with capital letters. There's punctuations. Your sentences make sense. Okay, you might think I'm crazy, but I'm going to do it. So in my class, I have a little chant that I like to give when I talk about sentences. So here we go. Make sure your sentences are good sentences. It goes like this. A sentence is a group of words that tells a complete idea. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with punctuation, like a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Oh yeah, it has to make sense. So your sentence needs to make sense with all of those things. You can have one sentence or you can have two sentences. I would love to see you write two sentences. That would make me feel so good. I would love to read your two sentences, but if you can come up with one, I will be okay with that too. All right, get started, my writers. I can't wait to see what you've written. Bye, friends.